right.
All right. So, folks, do it as usual on a Friday. We always give you something to smile about. Well, we give you something to smile about every single day, more so on a Friday, even if the jokes are on us. This morning, we'll be playing ball toss. So the aim is, that we're supposed to wiggle up ourselves or whatever else we call it and try to get this here up in here and this here up in there without using our hands as I did
it's
just
not
now.
Nice.
All right? Hold on. Take this back out for me, please, Simon Rooney.
Wait.
I don't trust you.
It was stuck. The ball was stuck.
All right.
Ready?
You want to go first or we go together?
No, I don't want to go at all.
All right, just watch me. Hold on, just watch me.
No, I'm not watching it.
No, I'll show you what to do.
I'm not watching it.
So first you have to get a little rhythm. You have to get a little rhythm. You get a little rhythm. Almost enough.
Oh, simmer.
Hold on. Wait now.
Stand still. Stand still.
I forget my ball steady.
You know what's funny? I did this at the beginning of the show. I mean, of the segment.
Oh, so you were practicing. Rhythm, 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 rhythm. Rhythm.
Start with the back one first.
No, man, it's almost the hold on.
Come on, ball, go higher.
Say what?
Stop!
Rhythm, rhythm,
Steady.
rhythm. See, it's here now.
You got it? Almost?
All right, I know it's what. I know it's what. I figure it out. Rhythm.
I don't know about that close up. That close up, they don't look right. Back one now.